In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Microsoft Copilot to Excel. Let's dive in to make your Excel experience even more powerful and efficient with this innovative tool. We'll seamlessly integrate the Copilot feature in just a few simple steps. First things first, open up Excel on your computer. Once you're greeted with the familiar spreadsheet interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner where you'll find the File option. Click on File and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you'll want to navigate towards the bottom and click on Options. By doing this, you're opening a new window that gives you various choices to tailor Excel to your needs. Now that the Options window is before you, look for the Trust Center in the list on the left-hand side. The Trust Center is a vital part of Excel that helps manage settings related to privacy and security, ensuring the application runs smoothly and securely. Select Trust Center and then move over to the right and click on Trust Center Settings. This is going to open yet another window where you'll be making some adjustments. Here in the Trust Center settings, your next stop is Privacy Options. Click on it and then direct your focus to Privacy Settings. Within this section, you'll see various options related to data collection and usage. Scroll down until you locate the option labeled Experiences that analyze your content. This particular setting is crucial because it's what allows Copilot to function within Excel. To ensure Copilot becomes available, you'll need to enable this option. Click on the checkbox next to Experiences that analyze your content. By doing this, you're authorizing Excel to provide you with a range of AI tools, including Copilot, that help analyze and enhance the content you work with. It's all about granting permission for these intelligent features to aid your day-to-day tasks. After checking this option, head back to your Excel interface. You'll notice that Copilot has now integrated seamlessly into the Home tab. This feature will provide supportive guidance and suggest ways to optimize your work right at your fingertips without needing to scour through different menus or tabs. Congratulations, you've successfully added Microsoft Copilot to Excel. Copilot is now ready to support your workflow, making your spreadsheet tasks more intuitive and efficient. Utilize its powerful capabilities to simplify tasks and uncover new insights in your data. Thanks for watching, and make sure to explore Copilot's features to fully leverage what this tool has to offer. Enjoy the new era of productivity in Excel.